Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl T, and I'm back with a quick little video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I take my OxyShred powder ultra concentrate on the go. So these are for my gym girl baddies who's just getting into their fitness journey, who is looking for a new supplement to take or ways to elevate their weight loss journey. So I have here OxyShred Peach Candy Rings, and I got this from TikTok shop. For those of you guys who don't know, this was my very, very first purchase on TikTok. So hey, shout out to OxyShred. If you guys want to get 10% off of your own bottle of OxyShred, then you could go ahead and use my code Tanyka Star and you will get 10% off your purchase. This video is all about how I take my OxyShred on the go. Right now, I'm at the park. I'm about to take a quick little walk. And for those of you who don't know my story of how I started drinking OxyShred, in 2022, when I was working in a call center job and I gained like 40, 50 pounds within like 4 months of working there. I started another weight loss journey back then, and I was changing everything. I was eating more clean, eating more cooked foods, going to the gym consistently. But for some reason, I was not losing any weight. Like I hit a plateau. And coming from someone who I used to wrestle, so I'm used to cutting weight and dropping weight and the science of everything. Someone who is used to, doing certain things and seeing results. And then all of a sudden, I'm not seeing any results. It was very frustrating. If that's somebody like you, like, or a beginner, what could happen is they could get discouraged and they could get frustrated, unmotivated, and just think like, and they quit too soon. So instead of quitting too soon, I went ahead and invested in a bottle of OxyShred because I was doing my research, but I never really invested in it yet because, I'm like, okay, I never really took no supplements, so I didn't have a reason to. But around that time, I wasn't losing weight and I was so frustrated. So I said, you know what? F it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to purchase my very first bottle of OxyShred. And the flavor that I got was strawberry kiwi. I took that OxyShred in the mornings before I worked out. And that week alone that I started taking OxyShred, I lost 8 pounds in that 1 week. And after that, I always continued using OxyShred and it's been part of my regimen. Recently, I haven't been using it because I ran out and I wasn't in my gym girl mode. I wasn't in my locked in mode, I was just, enjoying myself, working out to work out, to feel good, not necessarily to see results. And then again, my diet was definitely affected as well because I wasn't really disciplined with that either. So right now I am doing my 6 week summer shred just to get me nice and shredded for the summer and just to lose the extra pounds that I gained while being a little bit more laxy daisy with my diet and my routine. And moving forward, guys, gone are the days that I personally am putting any extra guilt on myself, putting any extra pressure on myself, especially as a woman. I find that that adds stress. And we all know that stress does not help the situation at all. Stress actually will do the opposite and hold on to more weight just as a defense mechanism. So, as a woman personally, gone are the days am I being over judgmental with myself or being too critical over myself. Like, I'm a human being, all right? And as long as I make the necessary conscious decision to like get back on track and lock in whenever I need to lock in, then there's no point in being stuck in the past and just having, shoulda, coulda, woulda moments with how you treated yourself to get to this point. So, with that being said, guys, I'm in my car right now. I'm outside of the park. I'm about to go on my hot girl summer walk. That has been one of my new favorite hobbies. I be craving going outside taking a walk because right now it's starting to get hot in New York again and the spring is out, the trees is blooming and the birds are singing and I just love everything about being outside. So, I'm going on my walk right now to get my steps in, get some vitamin D, get some fresh air and then, go about my day. But it's all about the little things, girls. It's all about the little things. Adding in the little walks, doing things that will move your body, just making those adjustments, those shifts. And it's the small, subtle changes consistently done over time beats some outlandish, like big bang hard 20 like 74-day hard diet thing. Like, so, no shade, no tea. We all love a good challenge, but me personally, as someone who has been a yo-yo dieter, someone who's overcame ED, someone who's overcame body dysmorphia and all of that good stuff, I find that moving with love and grace and understanding and, working together with that side of you who loves to be comfortable with, engaging in the habits that are not really doing us well. We got to be patient with ourselves, and the consistent changes is what changes you. So I'm in my car. So what better way of showing you guys how I take my OxyShred? Because I don't take my OxyShred. Well, I kind of do. I mean, obviously follow the instructions, girls. Follow the instructions. This is just me showing you what I do, just for some video content and some quick chit chat. But the instructions say on training days, take 1 scoop with at least minimum 10 ounces of cold water 10 minutes before exercise. Cold water. Why cold water? I'm assuming because it's like, I don't even fucking know, to be honest. But, anyways, avoid eating other foods or drinking protein shake within 20 minutes after consumption. Do not consume after 5 p.m. You know why? Because your ass is going to be up and wired the whole entire night. And do not exceed 2 scoops per day. So that is the instructions, guys. So follow the instructions. Please do. Let's go ahead and take the OxyShred, y'all. So the way I take it, which was taught to me by somebody, an individual, I would have just like put it in and like drank it, follow the instructions. But I don't know about you guys. When I overconsume water, a lot of water, like I feel like throwing up. So one person taught me to take it like this, and ever since then, I've been doing it that way. So first, I drink some of the water to just, lubricate, everything inside, because we're not trying to do a cinnamon challenge up in here. So just drink some water first, especially if you have dry throat. Then I like to take my scoop from the OxyShred. I like to take my scoop and I like to take it to the head. Take it to the head. Mm, 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 mm. Ah, and then drink some more water and wash it down. I was told that doing it this way is going to make it work faster, like, your body metabolizes it faster. But I like it because that way I could take the dosage and not have to like drink the whole bottle of water or like, because when I work out, I don't want to be working out on a full belly like that. But anyways, guys, that was all for today's video. Thank you for talking with me and watching me take my scoop of OxyShred before my hot girl walk. But right now, I am creating content for you guys because I want to stay consistent and I want to make my digital footprint on YouTube and get these videos out there and, just find my tribe, find the girls that really like vibe with me. Because one thing that was stopping me from creating YouTube videos and posting them, because this has been a long time coming, y'all. This has been a long time coming, y'all. So like the fact that you see my videos right now is a huge deal right now. I'm telling you, because I have so many filmed videos, so many content, and I don't even post. I don't edit because the motivation dies down because I feel as though I'm not going to find, like, people's not really going to vibe with me and connect with me. So, guys, please, if you are watching my video and you are really vibing with me, please let me know down in the comment section. I would really love to hear your feedback. Also, I would love to hear some video ideas of anything that you guys want to know or want me to do. I'm down. I'm down to really put myself out there. So, with that being said, guys, thank you so much for chilling with me. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next video.